Here we are on Tuesday looking at the gold chart. This is the 4-hour chart, H4, and we're looking at gold, XAU USD. And you can see gold has been moving up all day today. Ever since the Asian Pacific market opened, today gold has been moving up. It fell down just a little bit during the London session, but now it's moving up and been moving up for the last couple of hours. Very, very bullish. Gold is fully bullish. Bullish on the day one chart, bullish on the H4 chart, bullish on the 1-hour chart. So look for an opportunity to buy. But you don't want to chase the candles. Don't buy now. It looks like gold might go up to our next resistance level, which is 2688. You see here resistance 2688. That's this top blue line you see here. We're not very far away from that now trading at almost 2680. So about 80 pips away from that first resistance line. I think we will hit that today in the US session. Gold is very, very bullish. But you want to wait for a better price. I would recommend that you wait till gold comes back to support. And our first support level is 2673. Right here, 2673, this first blue line. Or if things should turn around completely, you never know. Our next level of support is 2650. 2650 was very, very strong for a long time. You see this resistance here, and then resistance here and here, all the way the last couple of weeks. 2650 has been very, very strong resistance, but now we have broken well above that, yesterday, closed above that. So 2650 is now support. Okay, resistance at 2688. And support at 2673. So we'll just, there's no news tonight, no high impact news. You can check forexfactory.com, investing.com. There's no news on the US economy today. So it just depends when the US market opens in about 30 minutes. If they continue to push gold up, which is very, very likely. It's very likely that gold will continue to move up. If you want to take a small trade, okay, take a small trade and use a stop loss, use good risk management, and maybe we'll get a few pips as we head up to the next level of resistance. But my style of trading is I wait for a better price. I'm not going to chase the candles. I wait for gold to pull back to make a correction, which it will do, and then I get a better price, and I am still bullish on gold. So let's look just briefly at the crypto, see what the cryptocurrencies are doing. And we'll go over here to Bitcoin. And what is Bitcoin doing? Okay, Bitcoin. We have resistance at 100K. We've been above 100K. You know, last week we got up to about 103,680, 103,680. But we've fallen down below that. And we got down to 92 the other day, last week. And now we have resistance at 100. That's this blue line you see here. Resistance at 100. We came up above that yesterday, but then it fell back down. Okay, it closed lower, and then we even had a spike down to about 94,000 yesterday when in the close of the U.S. session. But it's now come back up today. We've moved above this minor support resistance zone of 97,000. That's this blue line here, 97,000. So that's our support now. 97,000 is a minor support. If you want to put a buy limit at 97,000, that would be good. Or we could come down to our next support level, very strong support level here at 95,000. You see back here, 95,000 has been strong support for the last 3 weeks. But I believe that 97,000 will hold, so you can put a buy limit at 97,000. A buy limit at 97,000 on Bitcoin. And we should see that start to continue to higher prices. Then we look at Doge, DOGE, the doggy coin, and see what we have here. We have support right here. This blue line here, support for Doge. And that's at 0.3926. And you see that has been support back here for the last 3 weeks. It dropped down a little bit below that yesterday in the US session, but it's been holding that support level today in the Asian Pacific market and then also in the London market. So if you want to put a buy limit for Doge at 0.3926, right here on this blue line, 0.3926, or you could enter now. It's made a big drop the last couple of days. All of the altcoins and Bitcoin as well made a big drop the last couple of days, but we should start to see moving up to higher prices. These are just corrections. You see, the crypto moved up, came down, moved up, came down, moved up, came down. So we've reached a very strong support level for Doge at 0.3926. Then the XRP, all right, we have a strong support here at 21257. And then we have another support level, which you can see back here, was resistance, and that's now support. And that lower blue line there, the bottom one, that is 19558. So if you want to have a buy limit on XRP, that would be good at 21257, and also another one at 19558. Two buy limits you can do there. We have a very tight a correction zone, a continuation zone right here. So we've just bounced off of this 3 times today already, 2.1257. So you can put a buy limit there, and then we should start to see a continuation of the bullish move of XRP. And just before I go, we'll go back and look at gold. Oh, and it is starting to move up. We just changed the hour here, and it's starting to move up a little bit. We still have our resistance at 2688. Now it's starting to move up towards that. Starting to move up on this hour. Still about 25 minutes before the stock market opens, but already it looks like gold is going to move up and hit 2688. For sure. Of course, nothing is guaranteed, but that is our next level of resistance. All right, so that's it for gold and a few cryptos. I wish you all the best with your trading session today. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below this video and I will get back to you. And I'll see you again tomorrow, same time.